Hello fam, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm showing you how to make fried beef wet fry with creamy sauce. So delicious and soft. I start by preparing the beef. I wash my beef 2 times to make sure it's clean. Then I chop it into medium pieces as I place them in my pressure cooker. I add just the right amount of water. Then I close it well. Now I plug it into a socket. Then I set the timer for 40 minutes and let it cook until tender. While the beef is cooking, these are my ingredients for this recipe: 2 onions, 1 green pepper, 2 large tomatoes, and a bunch of coriander. Then for the spices, I'm using soy sauce, 3 cubes, Royco powder, curry powder, 500 ml of milk, Once the beef is soft and tender, I drain it from the broth and let it aside. Next, I heat oil in a pan. Once oil is hot, I add in my pieces of beef. I fry them until they turn golden and crispy on outside, but still soft inside. Then I remove them from the oil. I chop my onions. I heat 2 spoons of oil in a pan. I dust my tomatoes. I salt my onions until soft. Next, I add in curry powder and stir gently. Then I add in my cubes. I add in the fried beef pieces. Now I add in my diced tomatoes and stir very well to combine. I sprinkle in salt for the taste. Then I cover the pot to simmer. It cooks, I chop my green peppers. I add in soy sauce to give it a rich color. I pour in about a quarter cup of the beef broth that I had reserved earlier. I let it boil for a short while. Then I pour in my milk. I let the sauce boil slowly so it becomes creamy and flavorful. Finally, I add in my chopped green peppers for freshness and color. I chop my coriander. I garnish with fresh coriander for that extra burst of flavor. I give it a light stir. Our fried beef wet fry with a creamy milk sauce is now ready. Look at that! Rich, creamy and so inviting. You can serve it with rice, posho or chapati. Try this recipe and thank me later. This recipe never disappoints. Thank you so much for watching. If you have really enjoyed, kindly like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, see you in the next one on Wednesday 6:30 p.m. East African time.